feeling now, this is it. So I'll go ahead and join it now. So what I just want us to know that you can have a well drafted um armor princess that is the, like your pattern is you drafted it perfectly, but it's so you can marry it. If you don't sew it very well, you can marry it. So what you're just going to do while sewing it, make sure you don't have any pointy you don't have any sharp points here around your bust area. Make it as curvy as possible. With by doing that, you are going to have a very nice armor princess that's boosted. But if you have a sharp point, it's not going to come out nice at all. It's not going to come out nice. Let's see what we have here now. So I'll just flip it to the right side. Can you see that I don't have any sharp points? I don't have any sharp points. By the time I iron this, it's going to lay flat. So I'll go ahead and join the second part where I